This right here is an upgrade that I've been waiting for in my studio, and it's something that you guys have actually been seeing a lot of. Let's go ahead and open it up for you because this is my not so newly acquired DJI Ronin S Pro. And this thing has totally changed the way I shoot content in regards to truly wireless headphones and kind of headphones in general. This is a 3-axis stabilized gimbal, and it allows me to get some shots kind of like this. Now, real quick, I just want to go into some of the tech and some of the accessories I use with this gimbal. I know some of you guys as well are filmmakers or you're interested in video, so I just want to talk about this gimbal, my use case, some of the accessories I'm currently using for YouTube and actually other professional jobs. So first and foremost, we have our little mini tripod. This is the mini tripod that comes with the gimbal. We have our gimbal battery as well. Now, something I've recently purchased actually for filming short form vertical content is this DJI vertical mounting plate, which allows me to go ahead and shoot vertical video with my Ronin, and it kind of moves the camera in a way that is more ergonomic than trying to kind of set the camera up on its side. And I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So these are the two different mounting plates that I have for it, because the second one is just the stock mounting plate. Here, I'll bring that out for you guys. The second one right down here, this is just the stock mounting plate. And this comes with the gimbal. These arms do not come with the gimbal. These are the DJI dual arms, and these allow you to get the underslung mode, and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. These things are totally necessary in my opinion, and I had the small rig ones. I replaced the small rig ones with the DJI ones just so I could have that underslung mode. Now, along with all this stuff, if I'm having to use kind of a manual focus lens, I've also recently picked up a wireless follow focus system, but more importantly than that, I now have a wireless video transmission system. Sometimes I use this, but this is the Axune CineView HE. This actually allows me to plug in a USB-C cable into the receiver and actually like live stream through my computer. It just shows it as a USB-C camera. So sometimes I use these if I have shoots with a bunch of people and I need to have a director's monitor. But this has kind of been like my go-to setup when I'm using the gimbal, and a gimbal is essentially a way to stabilize your camera in air. This gimbal specifically is way bigger than anything I would normally need. The reason I got that is because many times I might want to use a manual focus lens, and then I need to rig out my camera with a wireless follow focus, wireless video transmission system. And so that's why I would get the payload for this. And that's kind of how I've been getting some of these new shots that you guys see with either kind of this dreamy look in some of my videos, because I'm using some more expensive vintage lenses, which I'm going to end up doing another video about in kind of like my gear upgrade path here in the studio. But overall, being able to now shoot truly wireless headphones while someone's using them in motion, or being able to kind of walk with someone as they're using a pair of sports headphones for say, makes my YouTube reviews of headphones feel more dynamic and kind of engaging. And all of this gear that you guys see here is how it's done, because without having some kind of stabilized gimbal, you really can't walk with the camera and it be that stable. So this is just a new piece of gear that I've got in my kit. I wanted to share it with you guys. There's tons of other features about this, and I could talk all day about camera gear. If you guys want me to talk all day about camera gear, go ahead and comment down below. And until next time, it's been Mitchell.